Mauro, if it was anyone other than you, I'd be afraid I was getting taken out.
It's just preparation for painting.
Just painting.
It's my everyday.
Just
right?
your everyday. Painting shutters, I presume.
Not an easy job. I got these wooden shutters, but I like to share my technique for painting wooden shutters.
Okay.
When I get lots of them.
All right, well, walk me through, because if you've got one shutter, you probably have 20.
We got 20. Sometimes we come to a project that we have like 80s.
Oh, yeah.
Right? When you count them, you have to have a technique to get that work done and done fast.
Okay. So what is the technique?
Well, what we're going to do here, so we're going to stack them up, okay? I got 4 of them. We're going to one top of the other on the same position. And then I got my sprayer. We're going to spray all the 4 sides first, and then we're going to spray the top of each one of it.
So obviously you're not opting for a brush. You prefer the sprayer.
Well, let's say you get about 50 shutters to paint.
Yeah.
All right? You can use a brush, but it's going to take forever.
Sure.
All right?
I mean, look at all the nooks and crannies. You got to get into the slats and everything like
You got
that.
the slots, you got this, and it's much easier with the sprayer. Even if you have like a couple shutters or 3 or 4 with the sprayer, an airless sprayer, that's the way that I like to do it.
All right, so show me this stacking idea that we're talking
All right, let's do this right now. They would go on the same position, line up nice.
So we're not sticking in between. You're actually going to let them, face to face.
Face to face, yes.
Okay, and you got the slats in the same orientation.
Same orientation, same position.
I think I get what's going on now.
Middle legs goes this way, top goes that way.
Yeah.
Make sure that we're nice and flush here.
Because you are going to...
We're going to make them look great.
You're going to paint, I see the sides of all 4.
All 4 sides, they all match.
So now you've got basically what feels like one surface, even though it's 4. You can come down with your sprayer and hit that.
We're going to spray all the 4 sides, okay?
All right.
All the 4 sides first, and then we're going to do the top of each one.
One at a time.
Yeah, we do one, we'll move it out to the dry station, do the next one, and that goes on.
It's like buttering my pancakes. All right,
Pancake.
let's get the sprayer set up.
Right.
You are smooth with that gun, Mauro.
See, look,
look.
Doesn't that look nice? What about the color?
The color's terrific, but the coverage is just fantastic.
Beautiful.
Like every little nook and cranny completely covered. So 1 coats or 2?
This is the first of 2.
So you're gonna let these dry for how long?
We're going to let this dry for about 4 hours, and then we can put the second and final coat on.
Which is the exact same process. just on
Same
top of-
process as the first coat.
I love it. All right, well, I appreciate you sharing your technique.
Good, look at this.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.